Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin. This is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today we're going to be dealing with instant traffic hacks. So let's get straight into it. Whatever our business, product, or service, we all need traffic. And by traffic, I mean customers, prospects, probable purchasers arriving at our place of business, whether it's offline or whether it's a digital store. Without traffic, we simply don't have a business. Nothing is more important than traffic. And today we have a choice. That choice is quite simple. So tell me, please, which would you prefer? Instant traffic methods, meaning within a couple of minutes from now, traffic will start arriving wherever you want it to? Or would you prefer to do some of the more traditional traffic technology ideas? Now, they can both be very effective. And traditional traffic ideas, well, they're going to take you a lot more time to get started. They could take weeks and weeks to get running. But instant traffic could start for you immediately within 20 seconds from now. So when do you want to start turning a profit? Sooner or later? It's a stupid question, I know, because I think you're going to pick instant traffic. I'm about to introduce you to a new product which has really impressed me. Now, I only review products which impress me, which I feel I would use myself or my own customers and lists would benefit from. And this one's called PC Steps. Why PC Steps? Well, first of all, it's exceptionally inexpensive. This is without doubt the most inexpensive get started product I think I've ever reviewed. It's proven to work. The strategies are tried, tested, and they're winners. You're going to get results within minutes of starting a campaign, and it's very newbie friendly. Now, people think when it comes around to instant traffic, it's going to take a lot of learning, and perhaps some methods can, but this one's not. You're going to be able to get started immediately. No previous experience is needed. And listen, anyone can do this, including you. You're going to get lots of ongoing help and support. There's a private support group, a Facebook group. So what more could you ask for? So here we are on the sales page. And as you can see straight away, it's $3 for access. Instant access, $3. You can get started. I'll tell you more about that in just a little while. So this is going to be step-by-step training, how to run your own profitable affiliate or CPA, cost per acquisition marketing business. You don't need experience or technical skills. Just to repeat, newbie friendly, everything we've gone through here already. I've highlighted a few things on his website, but I'm going to take you to the members there in a minute. So let's just fly through this. If you're still not making money online, are you making money online? Because that's about to change. You hate the fact you're still struggling. Yeah, he's been there too, so he empathizes. We've all been there, believe me. You're exactly where you're supposed to be right now. In other words, you've arrived here for a reason. So he's offering video training. And by the way, there's nearly 80 videos in this membership. 80. Okay, you're going to get personal help from him. I'll show you exactly how. Private support group. Oh, come on, let's just go straight into the members area. Okay, so here we are inside the members area. The only bit I'm covering up here is the members area. And as you can see, he's going to be dealing with easy CPA, cost per acquisition. He's going to be dealing with Amazon, traffic sources. He's going to give you lots of golden nuggets, push ads. Now, if you don't know what push ads are, have you had little ads just pop up on the bottom of your screen telling you something's happening on somebody's website? Those are push ads. Now, I started using them more recently and found them amazing, really. It suddenly increased my traffic on one specific area massively. It's going to teach you about list building. Now, I earn or generate 85% of my income from email marketing. But there are two kinds of lists. There's not just email marketing lists. How about, well, there's more than two kinds of lists. How about retargeting lists? I think he's going to deal with that here. He's going to show you how to build landing pages. He's going to teach you Bing PPC ads. Now, AdWords can be a bit expensive. Bing ads are a lot cheaper. I used them a few months ago to drive, well, I did a test actually to drive some traffic for some more unusual keywords, and I got a lot of very targeted traffic very inexpensively, and it started driving immediately, and I switched it off when I had enough. He's got a resources area, lots of members videos and how to make money. Let's go through these. We're in the members area. So you've got easy CPA. You've got a lot of different modules within here. He's going to tell you all about those push ads. Remember, the push ads are the little ones that appear at the bottom of your screen. You should be doing this because really they're going to help you a lot. Right now, they're red hot. He's going to teach you about Bing ads, keywords, tracking, campaign setup, and optimization. He's going to teach you about list building. He's got one here called the dummy whammy method. I want to have a look at that after I finish this video. How to get 20,000 leads per month. How list building with push ads. He's going to give you some golden nuggets. That looks really worth digging into. He's going to teach you how to build landers. Now, this is where your people come to. If you've got your landing page right, you're going to make money. And he's got other members' videos. And also, he's got some bonuses. So I'm going to nip back over here because I remember there were some bonuses. By the way, you can check all this out. Got lots of recommendations. You can check all this out for yourself very, very shortly. I just want to get to the bonuses. Okay. In addition to this, I have 5 more very valuable bonuses for you. I'll tell you about in just a moment. Bonus 1, access to exclusive Fast Start DFY campaign. Now, this is how you build profit before anybody else without spending any money. And you get that as part of this deal, okay? It's a sweetener. Done for you, proven converting landing pages, okay? Again, you get that as a bonus. And I'm sorry, that's all, but I have 5 of my own. So let's go over here. Now, to get to my bonuses, you click the link directly below this video. It's that simple. And it'll bring you through to this page. Now, I wanted to show you the video. I'll put the video on here, which is on the front of his membership page. Unfortunately, he's made it private. So you just have to come here and click on this link, and that would immediately load it would load it for you in its own player. There it is coming up now. Can't wait for it. Okay, so cost of this investment, you already know it's $3, and that $3 gives you a 3-day trial. Now that's all you need, 3 days to get in there and say, is this for me or not? Now he could go on improving these videos, he could go on adding more in there. So if you want to go with this project, if you decide after your 3-day trial to go with it, it's $27 a month. $27 a month, that's an amazing value for something that's going to teach you how to turn on an income stream, make a living as soon as tomorrow, as soon as 20 minutes from now. He's got a one-time offer. Now, this means you only get offered this one. This means if you like it, you can buy the whole thing for $240 a year, which saves you $30. Or if you want a lifetime deal, he's going to give it you for $1,500. Now, what does that tell you? He plans to be about for a while. He plans to be doing this for a while. He's got a lot of confidence in this product, and it obviously makes him a lot of money. Now we come to my bonuses. And by the way, to get my bonuses, you need to click on my link. Here it is here. There's the button. And this will take you through to his sales page. And if you purchase through that, you'll be getting all of these bonuses as part of my sweetener, okay? So the first one is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. You see, I'm pretty sure that you want to get as much traffic as possible. I'm pretty sure that you want to make as much profit as possible. So you need as many techniques as possible. And I picked this one purposely because right now Instagram is hot for driving traffic. And by the way, it's quite easy to get. Bonus number 2, how to explode your YouTube channel. Now, this is what I'm building and working on right now, my YouTube channel. I ignored it for years because I didn't realize how much profit it could generate. And when somebody showed me, I thought, right, that's for me. That's what I'm working on. That's why I'm making videos like this. And now you can learn the same thing. I'm going to give you a complete product. It's called Printly. Now, I'm not going to go into Printly because you can find this out for yourself. What I will tell you is I know two people who are actually making the entire living from Printly, and they're doing really well at it. In addition to this, I'm going to give you two Facebook products, or Facebook tutorials, which will help you get a lot of traffic from Facebook. This is where I get most of my traffic. Now, remember, you get all of these included if you click on this link here. How do you get my bonuses? Well, once you bought the product, you will be taken through to an access page, and you click the green button to get their products, and you come back, or the ones you just purchased, and then you come back and click the blue button to get all of these. So there you have it. Now, I can't wait to get back and start looking at it myself. So let me just ask you, do you have any comments or questions? If so, you can write them directly below this video. I will answer them for you. I have a question. Are you going to use this? And if so, what are you going to use it for first? What are you selling? I'd really like to know this. Please tell me if you like this video. If you did, right below the video here, there's a blue thumbs up. Give that a click. Please also subscribe to my channel. Now, I've got a reason for asking you to do this. If you subscribe, it actually helps me build my channel, and it also helps me help you, because every time you come to YouTube, if you click subscribe and the little bell here, then it's going to tell you Kevin's made a new video, and I make a lot of them, and they're always on how to make money from the internet and online. So all you have to do is click that, and it will tell you what I've made. You can click straight through to it rather than digging about. So that's one way of keeping right up to date with what's going on. Another way of getting lots of profit generating information is by subscribing to my profit generating emails. And all you have to do is come to the front after this video stopped playing, go to the front of the channel, and you can see there's a little green button arrow there pointing at this globe. Click that, and it will bring you straight back to this page. Click subscribe, and I will start sending you really interesting emails. Not too many of them, and they won't be too long. They'll all be bite-sized, they'll all be entertaining, and they'll all be value-packed. So I look forward to speaking to you again very shortly, perhaps in the next video or in one of my emails. Thank you so much for joining me. You have a great day.